So in this Realtor.ca tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit property type here on Realtor.ca. So once Realtor is opened up, what I want you to do is you go to the bottom left and press on the search page right here. Once you're on the search page, I want you to go to the top and type in your location. So for example, if you're looking for homes in the Vancouver area, I'll just go ahead and press on that just like that. There's Vancouver. Once that's done and you want to change the property type, so this would be like a condo, an apartment, a duplex, a house, whatever the case may be, go to the top right, press on filters. Once that is done, I want you to scroll down to where it says property type right here and press the drop down. Then once you're here, you can change this to whatever you want. So if you're looking for residential, multifamily, parking structures, recreational, we'll just go condo slash strata for this example. I'll press on that, then go to the bottom, press on see results. It's then going to refine my search and show you guys what you're looking for. So if you want to change this once again, go to the top right, go to where it says property type. If you want to look for parking right here, for instance, press on parking. There's no results. Multifamily, you can see the results as well. Same idea, go to the bottom. Now you're looking for multifamily listings here through Realtor. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to edit property type here on Realtor.ca. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.